as a parent, I want my child to be prepared to walk out that door after graduation to say, okay, either I'm going to go and work, I'm going to step into the career world, or I'm going to go ahead and go to college and then be prepared. But either way, we want them to be prepared. And so we have many career-driven programs within our district, as well as robust advanced academics programs. Our career and technologies department, we have welding, we have automotive, we have computer graphics and technology. We have students that are walking out with a certificate to be a stylist or a nail technician. We have wonderful chef programs where our students cook and cater for events within the district. Those are opportunities that I think I'm a little bit jealous. When I was in school, I think we had band and we had music, and vocational was kind of looked down upon. That's not the way we are now. In this district, we really look at STEM opportunities, and some of those opportunities include what would have been termed as vocational programs before. And now we understand that there's this need for all students to find an interest, and it may be that they're looking for something that's that hands-on certified position that requires a different kind of training. And so we look at opportunities for our students within those technical trades, or within opportunities to advance through the educational system into a college career, a college pathway. We have a wonderful relationship with our military in town. El Paso has Fort Bliss is in our city, and so we have a lot of students that are also military based, and so we have a great connection with the military in our town as well, and we foster all of those relationships to really find ways that we can support all the students in our district. We talk about having endless opportunities and seizing our opportunity. And those are, it may seem cliche or may seem like a catchphrase, but we live those every day, and we try and encourage our 47,000 plus students to aim for success. And we find that it starts in elementary. So if we really develop strength in elementary, it stays with our kids all the way through high school. And we talk about, what are you going to do after you graduate? What are you going to do? Not if you graduate, but when you graduate, what's your path? What do you want to do next? And having that constantly surround students, I think really builds an environment that it's a culture of expectation. We expect our students to be successful, and then in turn, they are. And so
Right.
we really, I think that's been a plus for our district.